So good day everyone. By the way, I'm Jennifer Castro. I'm from BEd 3A. So today we will tackle a topic about diagnostic assessment. Okay, so what is diagnostic assessment? Okay, diagnostic assessment is form of pre-assessment used by educators to evaluate students' existing knowledge, skills, and potential learning gaps before starting a new unit or course. Okay, so diagnostic assessment is a form of pre-assessment that teacher usually use to to measure or to measure students learning or students existing knowledge from previous topic. So there are four examples of diagnostic assessment. So the first one is unit p-test. Okay, a short quiz given before a new topic, like for example fraction in math. Teacher will give the short quiz to see what concepts already students understand. So the second one is the KWL chart. So a tool where students list what they already know, what they want to know, and later what they learn. Okay, the third one is reading inventories. So one-on-one session where a students read aloud so that teacher can check for fluency, phonemics, and comprehension. So this is usually used in reading in English. Okay, so the last one is the self-assessment. So survey where students rate their own confidence or familiarity with specific upcoming topics. So this self-assessment is consists a lot of lesson so that teacher will know what is the lesson or what is the topic that the students have missed or have understood. Okay, so the teacher will tailor a lesson plan that is suitable for their knowledge and their understanding.